Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and your business is already running. Emails sent, content created, leads captured. You didn't lift a finger. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's the future, and AI is making it real. But here's the catch. Most AI tools are just hype, shiny dashboards, fancy names, but no real value. So today, we're cutting through the noise. These are the top 5 AI tools that are actually worth your money. Tools that don't just look good, but make you money, save you time, and elevate your game. Stay to the end for the one tool that's like hiring a team of 5 for less than the price of a pizza. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive in. 1. Jasper, the AI writer. That never sleeps ever stared at a blank screen for hours thinking, maybe I'm just not a writer. Yeah, Jasper laughs in your face and says, move aside. It saves you 10 plus hours a week. Time is money. Jasper gives you both. But writing isn't everything. What if your business could think for you? 2. Notion AI. Your second brain. Notion AI is more than notes. It's your assistant, your project manager, your brainstorm buddy. Overwhelmed with a million tabs, sticky notes, and half-baked ideas? Notion AI brings calm to chaos. Imagine if Google Docs, Trello, and ChatGPT had a baby. That baby would be Notion AI, and it's freakishly smart. Plan your life, business, and next million-dollar idea all in one dashboard. So we've got content and structure. But what about your visuals? The stuff that actually stops the scroll? 3. MidJourney, the design alchemist. MidJourney turns text into jaw-dropping images. Want a robot riding a dolphin in a cyberpunk city? MidJourney's got you. Hiring designers is expensive. Settling for ugly thumbnails, even worse. You ever used Canva and thought, wow, I'm definitely not a designer? MidJourney fixes that in seconds. You stand out, you save money, and your content looks like it belongs in a Netflix trailer. Okay, visuals are fire, but how do you turn those views into actual dollars? 4. Surfer SEO, your Google traffic machine. Surfer SEO doesn't just guess what ranks on Google, it reverse engineers it, posting blogs that nobody reads. Feels like shouting into a void, right? It tells you exactly what to write, where to place your keywords, and how to beat your competitors. Game changer. And finally, the tool I promised at the start, the one that's like hiring a full-time team for the price of takeout. Get ready. 5. Zapier, the silent automator. Zapier connects your apps and automates your workflow without writing a single line of code. Tired of doing repetitive tasks that make you feel like a robot? Let Zapier be the robot. New lead in type form. Auto-send it to Google Sheets, trigger an email, and DM you on Slack. All on autopilot. More time, less burnout. And it runs 24/7 without coffee breaks. Closing, motivational finish, plus CTA. Here's the truth. The tools you use will either keep you stuck or push you into the top 1%. You can waste money on shiny things or invest in systems that work while you sleep. These 5 AI tools aren't just software, they're multipliers, wealth accelerators, time machines. Subscribe to SoftScope for weekly deep dives into the best tools in tech. Drop a comment. Which AI tool are you investing in this month? And remember, you don't need more hours in the day, you just need smarter tools. See you in the next one.